Okay, Jeff, let's talk about our weather. It's going to be a beautiful week.
It is all the way up until Friday. Then I was thinking Saturday, everybody can get their Peacock account kind of up and going.
You mean their streaming account?
Yes, if you haven't, because I mean Saturday is like the best day to just kind of have an excuse to not do any chores and just stay inside and maybe be a little bit lazy here, because we do have some rainfall on the way and those colder temperatures. Now the entire weekend is not going to be a total loss when it comes to being able to get outside. So we're going to have that full timeline on what's coming our way for this weekend. Certainly looks like an unusual late season storm. As far as tomorrow goes, as Janelle mentioned here, we have this area high pressure in the Pacific. That's going to keep the storm track to the north for tomorrow and those rain chances for now. This will bring in some warm and also some windy weather. Let me take you to the wind, and really this is going to impact the mountains the most. If you're doing any traveling over the mountain passes, you will get into some wind here starting tomorrow morning, anywhere from 20 to about 50 miles per hour. Also travel through the Central Valley. That wind's going to be coming out of the north and the west. Certainly could get some of that wind popping up through Napa County mountains, parts of the East Bay and the South Bay. Overall, doesn't look extremely bad at the lower elevations, but still dealing with some wind here of 10 to about 20 miles per hour. We'd hang on to some of those wind gusts here through tomorrow afternoon, maybe up to about 31 miles per hour in San Francisco. And then we should start to see that wind taper off through tomorrow night and also into Thursday. Morning temperatures for tomorrow back down into the 40s. Going to be a chilly start here through the Tri-Valley Peninsula and the South Bay. Have it to 48 through the South Bay and the Tri-Valley at 47. San Francisco the one spot with 51, and for the North Bay will be at 48. Temperatures as we roll through tomorrow looking like this across the Bay Area. Down here through the South Bay, it'll put us at 77 in San Jose. Right over to the East Bay, 81 in Antioch, 80 as well in Walnut Creek. Then for Hayward, 75. The Peninsula, 72 in San Mateo. Down to Palo Alto, 76. San Francisco, 70 in the Mission, and the Marina at 64. And right here for the North Bay, 77 in Clear Lake and 80 back towards Napa. So warm and sunny weather right now, but as we have been mentioning, it's looking more and more likely we'll get a storm system for this weekend. So kind of exciting on that front. We usually don't get rainfall this time of the year, and the big change I'm starting to see on how things would be developing is the storm system itself would actually be moving closer towards the Bay Area. So that's going to be able to increase our rain chances. In fact, right now, the way things are lining up for us, we'd actually be in for some widespread rain chances on Saturday and temperatures down in the 60s. Look at this estimated rain on Saturday. A quarter to a half inch possible. You go north of the Bay Area, some spots on the northern coastline, maybe 1 to 1.5 inches. I think we'd see about a quarter inch here for the South Bay, and then all other areas averaging about a half inch right now. Not only the rainfall, look at the Sierra snow. We'd be getting into some winter conditions here, maybe up over a foot for Kirkwood, Twin Bridges, and for Kingvale, snow starting around Pollock Pines and just after Colfax. So get ready for this winter blast. It is on the way. Other thing we're tracking is severe weather through the central U.S. tomorrow. If you're doing any traveling that way, watch out. We could see some more tornadoes develop. On that 7-day forecast, here you go. On Sunday, we dried out and low 60s in San Francisco. And for the inland valleys, low 80s next few days. Then we're at 59 Saturday. Does dry out on Sunday, and we'll warm it up to 68. So I'm all on board now. It's just going to be in a day, like I said, to not have to do those chores, right? That big list of things.
My son has a baseball game Saturday.
Well, it's going to have to get moved the way it looks now.
I know my daughter has a softball game, her last game of the season.